You know, that sluggish, weighed down feeling that can linger long after a big meal or a late night, making it tough to get moving in the morning. It's like your body is stuck in neutral, and no matter how much coffee you drink, you just can't seem to shift into high gear. But what if I told you there's a simple way to wake up feeling refreshed, revitalized, and ready to take on the day? It's all about the gelatin trick, a clever little hack that works by gently supporting your digestive system, helping to clear out any lingering toxins or undigested food that might be dragging you down. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you can start to notice a real difference in how you feel, like you're dropping that heavy, bloated sensation and finding a lighter, more energetic you. The gelatin trick is all about creating a balanced, harmonious relationship between your body and the food you eat, and it's amazing how such a small change can add up to make a big impact. To learn more about how to make the gelatin trick work for you, check out the link in the description below, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some extra tips and tricks to get you started with the gelatin trick today. Head to the description now and start feeling the benefits of the gelatin trick for yourself. And don't forget to explore the pinned comment for more insights into this powerful little ritual.